how to buy Alibaba AI agent token. So this token, it's under the symbol of Alibaba. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount of subscription. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open if you want money for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Alibaba token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.